Hi, I'm Kristen. um, I'm gonna start teaching step by step of loyalty. I probably won't go into too much detail because a lot of this is super basics, and I'm hoping that by the time someone watches this, they know at least the basics. So, beginning of loyalty um, is gonna start with a roll off. So, what you're gonna do is take your left hand and strip down the pole and just hold it. You don't have to let go to like hold the silk or anything. You just hold the pole like this, right? And your right hand is gonna be out like this, and this is what we call asking for money. It's your money hand, and you're just gonna put money right here, like this. And I can't say what we normally do because I don't know if this will be important on YouTube, but it's strip to the tab, and then you use your money hand and ask for money, okay? If that makes sense. So the roll off is gonna sound like da 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 roll up. I can play it really quick for you so you can hear what it sounds like. It's just a simple thing, but this is how you will start loyalty every time. This is what it sounds like. Okay, and then the song starts, right? So when you're rolling, all you do is turn it so that your money hand is grabbing and roll up, and then you will be holding it at an inverted right shoulder, and this is where you start the song, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is a front to back. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna do the front again. 5, 6, you're gonna grab money with your left hand, and it's in front. You wait until the pole is upright again, here. And then you turn 7, your right hand will grab, and from here, you're just gonna go out to where your left hand is at the tab, your right is at, I think, the bottom cheater. For this pole, you won't have cheaters, so you kind of just gotta guess. And then it goes to a sort of left slam. So that holds 8 counts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From here, you're just gonna poke forward. From the side, you're just gonna be here. You're gonna poke forward, poke back. Okay? And it's just poke, poke. And then next, you're gonna pop up to right shoulder. So since right now your left hand is here at the tab, you have to pop and let go completely so that your right hand can be on the tab. It's a very simple, you just pop, grab, okay? And that way your right hand is on the tab, your left is about at the cheater, maybe closer. This rest of the song doesn't really have counts for me because we usually just hear the song and we call out the words, if that makes sense. It'll make more sense later, I'll kind of put it all together, but it's poke, poke, up, and next, what you're gonna do, your left hand is gonna go down to the bottom of the pole, and your right is gonna be either Cheerio hand, which is like this, or you're just gonna have your palm on the pole like this. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. And you're just gonna go down on your right side, across the floor, and then bring it back up on the left. So it goes down, like if you're looking from the side, it goes down on the side and comes up on the side. It's not like a sweep and then you pick it up, right? You go down on one side, up on the other, And that part, we say, sweep the floor. And from there, you're at right shoulder. And you're just gonna flip the pole upside down. It's gonna be at a slight angle just because it doesn't look right if you have it right up against your body. It's an angle, kind of like 45 degrees. And then you sharp back up to right shoulder, and then sharp again, sharp to right shoulder, and that's 4 altogether. It's sharp, 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 and then you're gonna do 2 drop spins. Drop, spin, drop, spin. And for the first go round of loyalty, it plays twice. The first time, you're gonna drop the pole into your armpit on your right side, and it's just drop. Then you come up to right shoulder and switch your hand, and then you start over. It's the whole thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Poke, poke, up. Sweep the floor. Sharp, 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 sharp. Drop, spin, drop, spin. Here's your second time, okay? This is different. You're gonna drop, okay? And we say hit here. Hit, up. Switch for the first time. Second time is hit. You're gonna go over, and then you're gonna point up like this, and your toe's gonna come out, and your left hand goes behind your back. For me, I usually grab the butt of the pole, the end of the pole, just so I can have like a bit of stability, because a lot of times we stay right here for a really long time during football games. So you want that stability, that way your arm isn't as tired. But from there, it's hit, over, out, and you will stay here until either captain or your coach says 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. So that last thing is 5, you hold still. 6, it's coming down. 7, 8, it's straight up and down. And down is when you strip the pole and it's on the ground, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Does that make sense? I hope so. So with all of that put together, we're gonna do it all together one more time. And this time I will call out the words while I do it and have the music a little quieter so you can hear what I say and hear the music and see what I mean. Whenever we don't count with the song, we say the words instead. It'll make a lot more sense whenever it gets started. Seven, 8, and down.